gang, it's your girl Monique Antoinette, aka Chocolate Barbie, and we are about to set up this desk right here. Like, good news, you guys. Your girl just got a job offer. New job, okay? In progress. I start on November the 3rd. I am like super duper excited. It's a work from home job. So I had to order me a desk because I don't have a desk and a chair. And they're gonna be sending me the equipment and everything. So I don't have to pay for any of that. I'm just like super excited. The job is for Chewy. It's like the Chewy company for the dogs, like the animals or whatever. Love the company, although I don't have any pets, but love the company, and I'm so excited to be working for them starting on November 3rd. But yes, I have to set this desk up, y'all. Hopefully it's not too difficult or whatever, but I just want to, take you guys along with me. And yeah, I also got another package as well too. Another package. It's from this company called TTDI, which is a contact company. The girl is half blind, okay? So yes, I definitely need contacts and glasses. So I am gonna be doing a separate video with those contacts, doing a try on haul. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. It's probably gonna be uploaded after this one, but yeah, I'm super excited to be setting up this desk. I actually got it yesterday and just getting around to it, to setting it up. So let's go ahead without further ado and let's get this thing done. Let's, I am like a handy woman around here, okay? So let's get it done. Came with one of these, y'all. It came with a screwdriver, mini baby screwdriver. This is so cute. Screws and some other stuff that goes to it. I don't know, y'all, but yeah, we're gonna figure it out. All right, y'all, I am looking for the manual. I have no idea what a manual is. So how am I supposed to know how to put this thing together? They did not put no manual, or maybe I'm overlooking it. Let me see. Voila. Glad y'all can see me. Okay, so the manual says to take this and put this little square looking thing right here. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I really love doing like handiwork stuff, like putting together stuff. I don't know, I find it to be a little therapeutic. I can't even lie. All right, so we got that in there. Then I have this in there. Cool. So that one's done. So now we're gonna do the same thing to this one, this other leg. Okay, that's in there. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it don't seem like it's taking that long. For me to do this. Like it's moving pretty fast. Okay. Boom. So we got those in there now. So this is the second leg. Cool. So y'all, I done went and found me a bigger screwdriver because baby, this little one, it's like really hurting my hand. Like I couldn't. I think this is gonna be way better. So, oh yeah. So I think the last thing we have to do now is just put like the top part over the desk. The legs and everything are assembled. So I think I did a pretty good job so far. So let's get to that. Step is this little part right here where we take this and put this there, I guess. No, I guess that's how it goes. All right, y'all. So this is the finished product of the desk. Guys, I did it. I did it. I did it. I'm just so happy to finally I feel like I'm finally getting my life back on track or whatever. And I don't know, I just feel like God is really looking out for me. Truly, I thank God so much for this job opportunity, and I just thank God for all of the things that he's been doing for me these past few months since I had lost my job at HEB, y'all, because y'all have no idea. The struggle has really been real. So yeah, but I'm just happy. I feel like I'm gonna be going into the year 2026 with new blessings and a new job and just a new mindset, and I'm just happy, y'all. I'm just super duper happy. Like, hey guys, so I'm here because my chair came, y'all. Like, my mother freaking chair came. It's like everything is coming together. I'm super excited. Like, I'm excited for just all the things that's coming. I'm out of breath because I had to come up 3 flights of stairs. I stay on the 3rd floor, y'all. And as you know, I'm out of shape. So yeah, I'm tired. But my chair was delivered and it was sitting in front of the door. So I want to open it with you guys and everything. And we're going to put it where my desk is, right here, you see? So this is the desk. It was delivered. Well, not the desk, the chair. But we finna open it, y'all. Ooh. Got my handy scissors. These look like some little school kid scissors. It don't matter. It's my son's scissors. I found them. I needed something. Bam. Okay. So we're gonna open it. I gotta get me a camera, y'all. I definitely gotta get me a camera. Cause I mean, recording on my phone is cool, but yeah. So let's get it. What is this? I don't know. We're gonna see. So got that. So basically, I'm gonna have to put the disc together, apparently. Okay, that's a piece. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna see. That's something. Boom, that's another piece. Oop, I got some more handy tools, y'all, that I could keep for myself. Everything. We're gonna get this together. I got everything sitting on top of the desk and we're just gonna figure this out. So and I disassembled it. Yes. But when I be at my desk, I'm gonna be at my desk working. Over here, I'm gonna be typing. You know, I'll be typing like once I set up my equipment and everything. Once the equipment comes. All right. So, thank you guys for tuning in to me setting up my desk and everything. I just been trying to get all types of content out, and I'm basically just taking you guys along for the ride of my life. Me getting my life together, basically. Today is October 24th, so I'm really close to starting work. Again, I started work on November 3rd, so I'm super excited. I'm glad that the desk has come. I'm glad that the chairs came. I got everything set up now. The only thing that I'm waiting on is just my equipment that the job is supposed to be sending me, which is like the monitor, the keyboard, and just everything, all of the equipment that I'm supposed to be using for the job. So I'm just super excited, y'all. Cannot wait to start work. And yeah, but thank you guys for tuning in to this video. If you like the video, make sure that you guys like it. If you made it to the end of the video, put a bomb emoji, because my life has definitely been a bomb. Like, stuff has been blowing up in my life, but I am definitely handling it in a very, very, very great way. So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, just put a bomb emoji in the comments. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for just coming along with me for this journey, for this self-love healing journey. I'm super, super excited for just all of the blessings to come. And yeah, as always, peace and love, you guys, until the next video.
Had it just like that, had it right on track.